Okay, guys. For the login system, you need a login form like a registration form. Don't worry, I made this too. Then let's take a look. It's beautiful. Now in the previous video, we made a register system and registered some users to our database, our database table. Before we start coding, we should move the login folder to our project folder. Follow me. Create a folder and name it to register. Cut existing register files and paste them to the register folder, it's because have a clean project. Create a folder again and name it to styles, we're gonna import our styles and images to this folder. Copy the CSS file to the styles folder. Locate our CSS file and code. Now we can delete the register.css from the register folder. Let's test it. As you can see, we got an error. It's from PHP codes because we moved some folders and we should locate them again. It will take our time. It's solved, but there is a problem again. Where is my images? I'm not gonna talk because we have to locate our missing files.
It's all about humanity.
I want to change the CSS file name, because this name is not cool.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity.
Now rename our login format to PHP file and require once our config file. Now let's make our system.
It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. Cracky. Cracky.
Yes, our system is working correctly. Now let's put username before email. I think it will be good. Now I want to change the register and login name to index.php. It's because when we type /register, the browser opens our register page automatically. Now we can delete this too. The index name is a general name in SQL servers. Let me show you. If click on the register or a login folder, it will open our system automatically. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, we did it. In this video, we made a login system. In the next video, we will make a profile, and users can enter their profile after login. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to me, it's free, and like it too, that's free too. I love you guys, see you in the next video.